Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings, tap Device Options, then tap Serial Number or Build Number 7 times. This unlocks developer options for advanced installs and diagnostics on your tablet. If your Fire tablet runs Fire OS 8 or newer, long press the home screen for Widgets and Home Settings. The Widgets entry appears next to Wallpapers and Home Settings when supported by the OS. Tap Widgets, pick a widget, then drag the widget to your home screen. Resize using the drag handles if the widget supports resizing and confirm placement with a quick tap. Search the Amazon App Store for widget-enabled launchers and widget apps first. Try apps named Widgetsmith, Simple Launcher, or any app that advertises widgets in its description. If the Amazon App Store lacks needed widgets, sideload Google Play by installing 4 APKs in order, using Install Unknown Apps permission. To sideload, enable developer options and allow installation from files or downloader. After sideloading Google Play, sign into your Google account and install Nova Launcher or any launcher that supports widgets. Open that launcher, long press the home screen, and add widgets as you would on other Android tablets. Enable developer options by tapping Build Number 7 times before attempting sideloading or ADB. Use a USB cable or cloud transfer to move APK files, keeping APK sizes under 100 MB when possible. If you installed Google Play, reboot the tablet and sign into your account before installing launchers. If widgets do not appear, open Settings, find Apps, then clear the launcher app cache and data. As a final step, uninstall conflicting apps and reboot the tablet, then add widgets again using long press on the home screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.